Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make canned pumpkin pie. First, gather your ingredients, including one 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, one 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 2 large eggs, and a 9-inch unbaked pie crust. You'll also need sugar, spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit to prepare for baking. Now, let's create that delicious filling. In a large bowl, combine the canned pumpkin puree with 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk in the 2 large eggs and the 12-ounce can of evaporated milk until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Carefully pour this rich filling into your 9-inch unbaked pie crust. It's time to bake your pie to golden perfection. Place the pie in your preheated 425 degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for 15 minutes. After this initial bake, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue baking for an additional 40 to 50 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center of the pie comes out clean. This 2-stage baking helps achieve a perfectly set filling and a beautifully browned crust. Once baked, it's crucial to let your pumpkin pie cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This allows the filling to fully set, ensuring perfect slices. For the best flavor and texture, you can even chill it in the refrigerator for a few hours before serving. Enjoy your homemade pumpkin pie with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.